a comfortable race pace, and there they've stayed. 44-year-old Brian Callagahan has had a couple of runs at the mountain. His first was back in 1981, where he finished 14th in a Falcon with journalist racer Peter McKay of Sydney.
They just love coming to the mountain each year. Brian, of course, has finished well here just about every start. And, of course, Barry Graham has partnered him the last few years.
Well, when he did team up with Barry in '84, he finished 7th in the Falcon. Last year, it was 25th in the Commodore, but they're running very strongly at the moment.
The Mobile Concrete Pumping Services, number 47, V8 Commodore. Brian Callagahan at the wheel. That'll bring some joy to the oval track followers around Australia.
Former Grand National winner at Sydney's Liverpool Speedway, and at this stage he's around about 3 laps down on the leaders. And if you have just joined us, Alan Grice is our race leader in car number 2. So it's very much a case of V8 Aussie Commodore power at the moment, dominating proceedings in the James Hardy 1000. Up on the Anderson brothers Ford Mustang of New Zealand and the John Giddings Nissan